Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Are you not sure on what stock you're gonna buy going into 2023? In this environment with high inflation, high interest rate, etc. The market environment is just awful and garbage right now, and I understand that. But however, that doesn't mean you have an excuse to select bad stocks. You can select the greatest of the greatest stock. And I will show you in this video how to increase your probability to choose good stock going into 23 tremendously. And I know I'm not a big YouTuber, and I know I don't have a lot of subscribers, but that doesn't mean that the value I'm gonna give to you is garbage. So I have been doing this for a long time, and I can see the pattern going over and over and over again. So I will show you how I do it and how I manage to always go with a profit every single year. I have never been down like any year I have been doing this for. So go with that. Without further ado, I will show you how to do it. So what you want to do is go to finviz.com. That's where it all starts. You just have to make an account, and that's completely free. And it takes like 10 seconds. What you then want to do is click on screener, and to not make this video too long, I know your time is precious and so are mine. I'm just gonna pre-select my filter and go to all, and I will show you what I do to select the best stocks. So it all begins, and I can't explain every single key of these because it will just take too long. But going fast forward, this is just to make sure the stocks are profitable. It has a positive PE ratio. The sales growth are positive for the last 5 years. The return on equity is plus 15%, and stock is above its 200 daily moving average. And we have selected so we don't include any like penny stocks. EPS growth this year is over 25%, and EPS growth quarter over quarter is over 25%. And lastly, sales growth quarter over quarter is positive. As you can see, we have 134 stocks, which is not a lot, and it takes very fast. It goes very fast to go over this with the Finviz, because as you can see, it doesn't take too long to go through just 50 stocks. Okay, what you want to do is you want to filter, you want to sort it. You can do it however you want. The important thing is this filter. But what I do, I go for EPS growth this year with the descending. So the one at the front page here had the highest EPS growth this year. And what I want to accomplish is that I want stocks to show that are profitable, they have pricing power, and they are not going to be as hard hit with the inflation and interest rate as the other ones that is not profitable. They have no pricing power, and they will probably not even survive in this market. So, for example, that could be like Tesla, AMD, Apple, Nvidia, SolarEdge, etc. But what I do, I click then on charts here. That's what you want to do too. And then I click the weekly chart. So we see back all over, like pretty much year to date and even more. So now we have all these stocks, and these are all, I would say, quality stocks, relatively quality stocks to all the other garbage that's out there. And what you want to do is just scan through, and I don't know what kind of strategy you are following. I have no idea. I have just shown you a screener that selects like extremely good quality stocks relatively to what else is out there. And yeah, and when you have this weekly, you see the longer horizon, and that makes it easier for you to see the longer trend. So for example, we can find some stocks here, and yeah, this one has extremely good fundamentally, I believe. CVLG 2, REL has it too, and yeah, it doesn't take long. It's just 6 pages, and yeah, you can just scroll through and see what fits your eye and what fits your strategy. I don't know what kind of technical strategy you are going, if you're one of those that want to fish on the bottom, or if you're one that goes with the trend that only trades breakouts. I have no idea. That will be another video. I have just shown you how to select a very, very nice set of stocks, and then it's up to you what you buy. But here you have great stocks in front of you at least. So that was pretty much it. I'm trying to keep the videos so short as possible. I would appreciate if you would subscribe, like, and maybe comment what you think. Do you have any other type of strategy you are doing? I would like to know. And yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.